guys, welcome back to today's video. So we're doing my Boxycharm unboxing today. I'm a little behind. They sent this to me maybe like a week and a half ago, and I'm just getting around to filming it now. Today is Saturday, but I wanted to get this up for you guys because I know you like seeing what comes in my box and seeing like which variation I have, and I've really been enjoying filming Boxycharm videos every single month. It's just a fun like little surprise. I don't know. So if you guys want to find out what is in my June Boxycharm box and what I got this month, then please keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you will. It's the first link down below in my description box. Just click the little subscribe button and then tap the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on future videos, because if you do not do both, you will not get notified, which stinks. So let's get into unboxing my Boxycharm. So what I have noticed with getting Boxycharm every month, it just reminds me how fast the months go, because I'm like, oh my gosh, this month's Boxycharm is here. That means it's already June, and then we're gonna get July and then August, and it like makes me feel like time is going by so fast, and it kind of freaks me out. If you've never heard of Boxycharm before, basically it is a really awesome beauty subscription box. So for $21 a month you get 5 full-size beauty products, and I always get super excited to see what brand is in that month's box, because a lot of times it's like high-end products. Sometimes there'll be some indie products, but I get a chance to try out products that I may never have got the chance to try before if I didn't have Boxycharm every month. So let's dive on in, and again, I'm not gonna look at the little postcard thing because I like it to be a surprise. I like to just pull things out like with my hand and just see what comes out. So I think I'm just gonna do it that way. So I don't know the theme or anything. I'm just gonna put my hand in here and then pull something out. Ooh, oh my gosh, you guys, it is Dominique Cosmetics. If you don't know this brand, it is owned by Kristen Dominique. She is a beauty YouTuber. Love her tutorials, and I have actually never tried anything from her brand before. I know her palettes are really popular, and this looks like some sort of lip product, but it doesn't say what. It has this really cute packaging with like pink and yellow, maybe a lip gloss. Oh my gosh, how cute. I love the color. It is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade. Is it lip gloss? I don't know. The shade is called Peach Tea. We're just gonna assume it's lip gloss. I don't know, it could be a liquid lipstick, but it's the perfect pink shade that is so me. Let's open it up. Maybe it has a scent. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like, it smells really sweet. Like, oh my gosh, I really like the smell. It's just a very sweet scent. I would say it's kind of like a sweet lemonade scent, but not too sour. I really like the packaging. It's so pretty, and it has this cute pink cap. I would put this on, but I already have like my lip stuff on for the day. But this, I am so excited to test out. This is my first Dominique Cosmetics product, like I was telling you guys, and I didn't even know that she had lip gloss. So ooh, we have a highlighter. This is so pretty. This is Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, and this is in the shade Cotton Candy. Okay, I don't know who Steve Laurent is. I'm gonna have to look up his brand and see who this is. Perhaps a makeup artist, but I like the sound of Jelly Highlighter, and I like the sound of the color Cotton Candy. So let's do a little swatch. It does not smell like cotton candy, which is a little bit sad, but it's this pretty pink highlight. I think this will be good for me now that I have my self tan on, because it's not so light, but it's not too deep. Fair to medium skin tone, I think this would be pretty good. Oh my gosh. Wait, I was not expecting that. It's creamy. Oh my goodness. Okay, that was like pretty weird because it feels like a cream, but then I think it dries to a powder finish. I really like that. Maybe I can put some on. I feel like I already have so much highlighter on, but definitely like a blinding highlight. I put some on my chin, a little on my nose and my forehead, and I am super impressed with the pigmentation on this. I kind of wasn't expecting it to be like that. I just kind of thought it was going to be your basic powder highlighter, but it has this very soft, creamy consistency. And I like that this is a new brand that I have not tried before. So Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter, definitely a fan. Cannot wait to use this. I feel like this is something that would be better probably with your finger rather than a brush, because I can't picture like a natural hair bristle brush really picking up this product too well because it has that creamy consistency. Let's pull out the next product. What do we have? Okay, maybe this. What is this? Oh, yay! I love this brand. This is Touch in Soul. This is the No Poreplem Prime Essence, and it says it has Calendula officinalis flower extract. So a lot of you guys are familiar with Touch in Soul from their primer, the No Poreplem primer. So this is, I guess, like a spin-off product from that. It says it tightens up pores, keeps the skin silky smooth for better long-lasting makeup. And this brand is at like Sephora. This is crazy because this is a full-size product. Great brand. I love their original No Poreplem primer. Let me put some out on my hand. Ooh, okay, it just kind of leaked all over. It's fine. Very light scent. It has a light serum consistency to it. It doesn't have that like slippy silicone feel to it, but it feels nice. Can't wait to test this out on my face and try it out with some foundations and see what I think. So that is the packaging. Light, watery feel to it. Like it doesn't feel heavy at all, which I think might be nice for the summertime. And I have been looking for a good summertime primer, so I will let you guys know what I think about this. Kind of reminds me a little bit of my Paula's Choice Primer Serum. Similar packaging. So this is the Paula's Choice Smoothing Primer Serum that actually has SPF 30. This one does not have SPF in it, but I feel like they're going to be very similar to one another. And I do really enjoy the Paula's Choice Primer Serum because I thought it was something really unique. 3 for 3. I love everything that I've gotten so far. Super impressed. Boxycharm always kills it. Let's check out the next product. Ooh, we have a very pretty, perfect nude liner. This is from Dirty Little Secret, and this is the shade Pale Pink. And this is like the exact type of liner that I love because you can overline your lips with it. I'll show you guys what the color looks like. Beautiful, like natural liner shade. It's not too mauve, it's not too dark, but it's not too light. I actually wish I would have had this today because I feel like this would have looked so pretty with the pink lip color that I'm wearing. I'm gonna have to sharpen this, but yeah, I really like this. It's kind of your standard like pencil liner, so nothing too crazy. I think I'm more really into the tone of this. I definitely can see myself using this on an everyday basis. Okay, I think this is the last product because this is my 5th one, so let's see what it is. It feels some sort of palette maybe? You guys, it's a Tarte eyeshadow palette. I was not expecting this. This is such a good box this month. Okay, this is the Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette. Probably neutral. Don't think it's gonna be anything crazy. Check it out. Okay, looks very Tarte-esque with like the fun front. Oh, yes. If that's not a neutral palette, I don't know what is. This is like a good everyday, lots of like light shades in here. Love the way Tarte palettes smell. It's like my favorite thing about them. When you open them up or you put them on your eyes, just get that like whiff of sweet scent. It is my favorite scent for eyeshadow palettes. Oh, it's so good. But yeah, definitely a nice like everyday palette. You have your crease shade in there, you have some shimmery shades, you have your matte shade, and then you have a deep shade. Definitely can see myself using this as just like an everyday palette. Neutrals, what girl doesn't love a neutrals palette? And Tarte does make really nice eyeshadows. I am totally impressed with the box this month. I think this might be my favorite box. Literally every single product in here is something that I am going to use and I feel like I'm going to enjoy. Granted, I have not tried them yet, but I will keep you guys posted for sure. But on first look, everything is like perfect this month. All this for $21 is crazy. So let's look at the pamphlet because that will tell me like the actual retail price. Tarte palette is $36. The Touch in Soul primer is $23. The Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss is $17. The Steve Laurent Jelly Highlighter is $26. Holy moly, that's expensive. And the Dirty Little Secret Lip Liner is $15. So the total retail value for everything comes out to $117. And I think that's really good, especially because it was $21. I did receive this box in PR, just so you guys know. They send them to me every month. But I honestly think that this box is worth it because you're getting awesome products that are all new and the value is crazy, and it's actually products that you're going to like use and enjoy, or at least I think it was really good. What do you guys think of my Boxycharm this month? Oh, I forgot to tell you, I got box 5. So I hope you guys get the same box as me because I thought it was awesome. Definitely my favorite box so far, and I hope you guys like this video. If you enjoyed my Boxycharm unboxings, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.